Hi friends, in this video we are going to explain what you mean by comments in Python. As you can see in this line, I have started the line with a hash symbol. This is called as a comment in Python. What you mean by a comment? So if we try to execute this code, you can see there is no output in this code, but still we have written something instead. By comments we mean these are some kind of nodes that a developer can write which Python interpreter will ignore. So this is a comment, and you can write as many as you want. This is usually done when the code becomes very larger and the team of developers are working on a project, so that if you have any doubt in understanding the code, you can put some comments as notes, so that when another developer comes and try to do some modifications on that code, he can read these notes and understand the code in a better manner. And this is one way of writing comments in Python using the hash symbol. Also, if you declare a variable, suppose if you are declaring some variable here, you can also write comment like this. This is also a valid comment because we have started it with an hash symbol. And if you write comments in multiple lines, it is called a multi-line comment. Another way to put multi-line comments in Python is to use triple quotes. Triple quotes is another method you can write multi-line comments. So all these things will be ignored when Python interpreter will try to execute this code. As you can see, there is no output, but if I try to print this name, you can see there will be output. The name Kevin will be printed here. You can use any of these methods to put comments. It is always a better approach. While you use larger programs, you must add some comments. Also, you must give some meaningful names to your variables and other things, so that you can minimize the need for adding a comment. Suppose if I have given the variable name as x and try to print it here, if someone comes and read this code, they might not get this is a name variable. Also, if I can, maybe I can write this is a name, but this is actually unwanted thing, because we can ignore this comment, and if you name this variable as suppose name, another developer or anyone can easily understand this is supposed to store a name of a person. So naming variables with meaningful names is very important in programming, and this is all about comments in Python. We will come up with another topics in later videos. Thank you for watching.